Hello, everyone. My name is Sean. I'm broadcasting from Japan. Okay. Uh, let me check. Okay. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing fine, and now I'm enjoying stay in Japan. Maybe I'll go back to Johor, Malaysia, and I'll have a live trading show from there again because I want to explore some more in Johor, and maybe because there's just across from Johor, there's Singapore as well, so maybe I can have some time going over there. Okay. So looking forward to it in the future. Okay, let me hold on. Let me refresh my Facebook. Thank you, Christopher, for giving us like. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. And if you have any feedback, please let us know so we can. Based on your feedback, we can improve this Facebook contents, including live trading show as well. So if you have any questions about trading, then I can answer on the live show. So, okay. Well, today, before moving on, I'd like to share a bit about my stay in London. Okay. Well, I was in London for 5 years, and unfortunately, I had to come back here because my visa expired. So, but 5 years is I have a good memory of 5 years in London. And if you've been there, or if you know some a little bit about London, there are beautiful parks. Such as Regent Park and Green Park. And on sunny days in London during summertime, a day is very long. It's bright until like 9 or 10 p.m. At night. It's very bright, but it doesn't get too hot. So on sunny days, especially, it is nice and refreshing to walk in the parks. And well, like I said, in the summer, the weather is very nice, very comfortable, very pleasing. Yeah. So even walking under the sun, you don't get sweat. It's just nice. The breeze and very nice. Now I'm in Japan, but the summer it gets too humid. So like approaching summer, then you get really sweat. And Johor, it was really hot as well. It's very the south, so it's very hot. So, but let me share one picture. Okay, today I'm sharing a picture of flowers. Okay, this flower. Okay, this one was taken in Green Park. And this flower is called mokuren, and I think in English this is called magnolia. Don't worry about my pronunciation. You you get it anyway, right? Okay. And let me show you another picture. Okay. This one was taken in Regent Park. Yes. And then this one is called Snowdrop. So if you go to Green Park and Regent Park, you see lots of these beautiful flowers. So among beautiful flowers, you take a walk. So you do nothing but just walking. And it's sometimes it's good. It's just good to walk in a beautiful environment where you just see beautiful flowers, and there's some lake within the park as well. So some people boat, and yeah, it's just you can forget about just the time and just relax. That's also a good part of life, I think. Yeah. Anyway, so let's move on to today's trading. So let me minimize this. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about today's again signal and 303 strategy, and then also martingale. Yesterday I did the martingale, and then that was successful because yeah, that was a good example. So hopefully today I can do the martingale again. But maybe today I can talk about 303 strategy first. Okay, so let me choose. I choose Darayan, and I choose 30 minutes. Then I'm going to add instrument. Okay, now I'm going to choose, okay, oops, Darayan. Okay, and 3 minutes. Okay, so now I have 30-minute chart at the top, and I have 3-minute chart at the bottom. Okay, 303 strategy. In any type of strategies, what you do is to see the market trend, right? Whether the market trend is high or low. By doing so, you can make a purchase like high or low based on your analysis. So for me, using 303 strategy, I'm going to look at 30-minute chart to analyze, or not analyze, yes, analyze whether the market trend is up or down, or even flat. Okay, so when it's up, you purchase high, then when it's down, you purchase low, and when it's flat, you purchase nothing. You don't purchase at all. Okay, so let's see. Wow, now the market is really moving up. So if I purchase high here, then that was a good good buy, yeah, I think. Okay, anyway, so yes, the reason why I use 30 minutes to see the market trend is 30 minutes is wider than longer than 3 minutes, right? So it's good to see the wider view of the market trend rather than just the 3 minutes of the market. Okay, the market is long. Okay, but I trade 3 minutes, so I look at the 30 minutes, and the 30 minutes is, I think, long enough for me to trade on the 3 minutes option. Okay, so for example, this one, the market is like going up, right? So if I are to draw trend line, it's like this is really strong buy. Okay, I'll talk about signal next, but I see the Darayan is showing strong buy. Strong buy meaning the market is going really up, so you make purchase high. Okay, so okay, so now I see the market trend is up, so I choose high on a 3 minutes option and then make a purchase. So I decide high or low just looking at 30 minutes graph. That's my 303 strategy. Okay, that's how it works. Now let's talk about signal. But before I talk about signal, I'm going to refresh my Facebook. Okay, now let's talk about it. Okay, signal. Signal is a signal. So you don't have to spend time analyzing the market. It just tells you. Okay. So what this one does is it tells you the strong sell or strong buy or neutral, and sometimes it indicates not strong but just the sell or just the buy. Okay. Strong meaning strong, so it's more the market trend is stronger. Okay. So for example, this one euro dollar, it's indicating strong sell, meaning you purchase low. Okay. But dollar yen showing strong buy, so you purchase high. And when it says neutral, you don't purchase at all. Okay. Now I talked about like signal, and I just mentioned that signal does it all for you, so you don't have to think about like strategy at all. But it becomes more powerful if you have your own strategy. You know how to minimize your risk. You know how to when to make a purchase and when not to make a purchase. Okay. So if you have one just strategy, and if you have this signal, and if you combine them together, so whenever they correspond together, your strategy and signal together, then that's when you want to take action. Okay. So if they don't correspond, maybe you just postpone your trading and then wait for the next right proper moment. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay. Okay. And signal, this one has a time frame from 1 minute to a weekly. Okay. Today I'm going to purchase a 3-minute option. So 1 minute, short signal is good for me. Okay. Now, so I'm going to talk about martingale, but let me try some trading before and see. By the way, last Friday we had a great dinner with our customers, London. Because I talked about dinner time with our customers, with with customers in at Kiku Japanese restaurant. Let me see. Okay. Oh, it's going down. Okay. The trend line may be going like that, and then it might has crossed the point already. So now it might be coming down. But now Darian showing strong buy, so I wait. I purchase low, but I wait until the market price comes back a little bit higher, and then when it turns strong sell, then I make purchase. Hold on, yeah. I was talking about dinner, but let me try this one. Now it's still showing strong buy, and then I only have few seconds left before, so I don't do anything now. Yeah, just let it go for now. Okay, so now it's going to pass the stop line. So yeah, let me talk about this dinner. So dinner was wonderful. Of course the food was great. We enjoyed the food so much, and we had some drinks as well. So drinking with customers, that's very fantastic moment. So I guess maybe with the drinks, I don't know, but our customers gave us lots of questions, and then today these questions is just came from one of the customers at the dinner time. He gave us this question, so I'd like to share this with you today. Oops. Okay. Okay. So let me wait for. See, it's okay. It might be that see this one. The market is like seems to be flat to me around this moment. So wait for the next move. But I think now, okay, still showing strong buy. But actually it's not, the market it's not really going up now. So I think still low. Anyway, I wait for some more time. Okay. Maybe I should change the instrument. But wait, see the market's like this. And then all of a sudden it goes up or down. That's how it goes. See that? Oh, sorry. I I refreshed something else. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let me set up now. I was going to refresh my signal, but I refreshed. Okay, now this one that I wanted to refresh. Okay, let me I'm refreshing my Facebook too. Okay. See that? I'm waiting for the right moment, but just wait a little bit more. Okay, let's talk about martingale. Okay, so martingale is like okay. For example, my martingale that I'm going to talk about will be done on 3 minutes option. So within 3 minutes, basically using the martingale logic, you purchase, for instance, 1, 2, 3. So more than one option, 2 or 3. You do it. Okay, so how you do it? Okay, so for example, you are confident of the market trend. Okay, now it's going down. Market trend is done. Okay, then you purchase low on a 3 minutes option, right? Okay, for example, your first trade is $1. All right. Okay, and then the second trade, what you do is like market moves against you. You purchase low here, but the market moves against you, right? But eventually, because the market trend is low, so within 3 minutes it goes zigzag, so goes like this. Okay, so that's your expectation. So your first trade $1, and then your second trade, when the market is going against you, you make another $3. Is this high or low? That's low. You purchase low option. Okay, and then eventually the market ends up like this. Okay, so what happens? Okay, so you are losing. Let's say you lost the first trade $1, and your loss is $1, but you end up winning the second trade, $3 trade. Then the, let's say, pair ratio is 70%. So your profit is 3 times 70%, so that's $2.10, right? So the difference is $1.10. So that would be your profit. Okay. So the martingale logic. Okay, this is kind of important because when you make additional trades, the second trade or third trade, you want to choose any amount that covers your previous losses, and then also see the profits at the end. Okay, let me share this spreadsheet. Okay, on my PC, I don't have Excel installed, so this is a screenshot. Okay, so hopefully you can see this spreadsheet, And I see some of you, some customers have been requesting this martingale strategy, and thank you very much. And then this is just the Excel spreadsheet, and we made it for you. The reason is that some customers, it's kind of confusing to decide what the trade amount they should choose when buying additionally. Okay. For example, this one is talking about the example that I just used. That's 1 and 3 and 7. Okay, so let's say you do $1 and $3, and you lose $1 trade, but then $3 your profit is $2.10, right? So $2.10 minus $1 gives you $1.10. See, this is the how the calculation is done. And these trace amount are predetermined here, but on an Excel sheet you can kind of tweak the numbers. So, but still gives you the PL balance at the end. So maybe you can just play around with it. It's very cool spreadsheet. Okay. Yes. So if you're a beginner, you want to try maybe smaller amounts. But if you are getting used to it more and more, you could try the advanced one, like this one. Okay, 10, 20, 60, 180, 460. Okay, but anyway, depending on the payout ratio here, see 70, like 80, 90. Okay, you see the end balance. Okay, by using after using the martingale strategy. So I hope, I think this spreadsheet is helpful, because you don't have to do some calculation. I always have this with me because I'm not good at the calculations. So if you're like me, then spreadsheet is there for you. Alright? Oh, hold on. Let me refresh. Okay, dollar yen is now showing strong sell, so let me purchase low. Okay, I just made a purchase dollar yen low. Okay, the reason is because if I draw the trend line here, see that the market has come back this point, just my trend line level, then now it's going down. Okay, if the market price comes back higher within this distance, then I would make another trades. But you know, doing the martingale, just explain. But now it's past the stop line, so I just need to wait. Okay. So hopefully, I hope. But this one is relatively, yeah, this one is kind of easier trade for me, this one, because the market trend is very clear. Then when came back, you know, higher enough to my trend line, then the dollar yen signal was showing strong sell, so I just made purchase low. I hope so. So I need to see until the end, because it can move boom boom. Okay, good trade. Okay, trade history. Okay, sorry, this one I did the test trade beforehand, so just ignore this one. But the dollar yen, this one $10, and then the profit is $7. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, let's do the question and answer. Today, this question came from one of the customers that we met over dinner. Okay. Okay, this customer, yes, he kind of hesitate to start binary options. Okay, because he feels like he needs to spend more and more time on the preparations. For example, you see the market news. You know, if you watch the TV, you know, the news, you see lots and lots of information. And then if you see some you know, binary option websites, or even, you know, forex currency website, you know, those lots of those are there in the market. And then if you see one maybe analytics says something different, and the other says also, you know, something different, and this and that, and lots of information. And then he is very eager to study, and he needs to prepare himself. And so he go to lots of website, he watch the news, you know, market information, and lots of them. But he can just take one step, you know, trading binary options, because he feels like kind of, you know, he hesitate to start trading. Okay, that I can relate a lot. Yes, but maybe the market news, you know, looking at maybe the, you know, the country news, for example, like US or even Japan, you know, the IM movement, maybe that would be called you know, fundamental analysis. But looking at the, you know, my strategy, did I see any news to win 10 what's that, how much, $7 within like 3 minutes? The answer is no, right? So because 303 strategy, you just look at the market movement up or down, and then when it's flat, you don't purchase at all. So if you familiarize yourself with just one strategy is enough, and then this signal to help you. And then if you understand the logic of martingale, there's a high chance that you get good result. So just need to familiarize. Just build up one strategy is enough for binary options. Okay, so hope you understand this point. But if you, you know, still need some assistance, you know, clearance, clarification, then you know, we can help you out with this. Okay, time is almost up, but let me see if I can do one more trade. Wow, this one like this. Wow, see that? Goes like this, and very clear downtrend. Everybody down now. High purchase low now. Yes. So now Darian showing strong buy, so it might come back a little bit higher, but it might, the trend may continue low. Okay. But still showing strong buy, so I don't purchase low. See that? What I do is just you know, stick to my rules, just follow my rules. And if I, you know, if I don't follow my rule, most likely I lose. You know, sometimes of course, even when I'm following my rule, then I lose, of course. But the winning ratio is still profitable, you know, higher enough to give me some profits at the end. See that? So still going up. Okay, I guess today's about this one. So okay, now let's talk about the promotion. Okay, here, this one. Can you see? Okay, so if you do not have a binary option account, you can come to our website, then fill in the application form for binary option account. Once your application has been activated, we'll give you $10 welcome bonus. And filling in the application form will not take you more than 5 minutes. Then once you fill in and submit the necessary documents, then your account will be activated within 1 business day. And once you receive your welcome email with your login ID and password, then you will see $10 welcome bonus on your binary option account. So with this $10 binary option account, you can do the signal, then you can do martingale, and you can do 303 strategy. So before moving on to making investment, you can familiarize yourself with our live binary platform. And if you need any questions, if you have any questions, let me change the site. Okay, here this one, live chat button. So you can just click on it, and then our friendly, knowledgeable, professional customer support will help you how to make trades, how to make a deposit, how to make a withdrawal, everything. If our website is not too clear for you. So, and then also we appreciate your feedback much a lot. We do Facebook, Twitter, and also we just started the WhatsApp services. So if you can do the WhatsApp like this, WhatsApp. Okay. So if you need assistance, you can do WhatsApp with us, and you can do live chat, and you can send us an email, and of course you can call us, okay, or we call you if you leave us any message on an email or WhatsApp or live chat. All right. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy my show. And before maybe leaving, I should refresh my Facebook. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.